Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Jack from Roblox doors. So first we're gonna get started and we're gonna frame in the shape of the head. So let's start right in the center here and we're gonna curve this line around and down on the left. We're gonna move back across, so starting in the center, we're gonna curve this line around and then down on the right. Starting back on our line on the left-hand side, now we're gonna continue to curve this line around and then in on the left, and then again replicating that on the right, just bringing this around and through, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here, let's curve this line in this time. So starting from the side, we're going to blend this in, curving this around and over towards the side, and then we're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. We're going to close this off on the bottom now with a nice big curved line from left to right. Let's draw in our eye now. So coming over on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we're going to start back on this line, curving this around and down on the side. And then we're going to start back on the bottom, arching this around and through on the right. And then now from here, let's just color in our eye black. Now let's move underneath and we're going to curve this line around and through on the right. On the side, we're going to arch this line over and across. And then moving back in towards the top, we're just going to continue to arch this around and then down on the side. Let's move up again one more time, curving this line around and through to the right. Let's move in towards the center now and draw on the nose. So dropping below the eye on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and up. And now let's draw in the mouth. So we're going to start with the corner bracket on the right-hand side beside our eye. And then we're going to come over on the left-hand side and draw in another bracket in the corner. And we're going to draw this lower than the one on the right. We're going to join this together now. So starting on the top, let's curve this line around and through towards the middle. And then we're going to continue on this line to arch this around and through towards the top right. Let's start underneath from this corner again, arching this line further down, bringing that in towards the center. And then again, we're going to continue to curve this all the way around and through on the side. Let's close off the teeth now. So starting on the top, we're going to curve this line over and through on the right. Now on the left-hand side for the teeth, we're going to curve this line up. Let's leave a gap, replicating that as we move over. Again, stepping across, we're going to curve that out towards the left. Now as we come in towards the center, we're just going to straighten this line out towards the top. Let's step over on the right, curving that out again. Moving beside that, arching this out towards the right this time. And then we're going to replicate that, moving over. Again, leaving an even amount of space. And then one more time as we move across. And now let's color in this space in the corner black. And then we're just going to move underneath in this open space and color this in black as well. Now let's move in towards the middle of the mouth and we're going to curve this line around and in towards our nose. We're going to continue to arch this line out towards the right and then over towards the left, bringing that up. And then starting back on this line, we're going to curve this all the way around and then out towards the top right of the head. Let's come over in the corner of the mouth now. Starting on the side, we're going to arch this line around and through towards the left. Starting back from that corner, we're going to curve this over and across towards the right. And then from that corner, we're going to arch this around and then down towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Jack from Roblox doors. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.